Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphas in Tech. I have a very exciting hiring update from Cisco, one of the world's leading networking and technology companies. If you're planning your software engineering career with a top product-based company, then don't skip this video because I'll explain everything you need to know, including who can apply, what skills Cisco is looking for, and one important point that many students miss. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also tell you why this opportunity is different from regular campus hiring. Let's get started. Cisco has officially announced its Software Engineer India Engineering UHR FY27 hiring under the Code with Cisco program. One important thing you should know is that this posting is for upcoming hiring. Cisco clearly mentioned that this exact role may not be open today, but candidates who apply now may be contacted when the hiring starts. So, if you're interested in working at Cisco, applying early can be a smart decision. Now let's talk about the job. As a software engineer at Cisco, you'll work on real software products related to networking, security, cloud technologies, collaboration platforms, and AI-driven solutions. Your responsibilities may include developing software, writing clean and secure code, debugging applications, testing features, participating in code reviews, solving technical problems, and working with experienced engineering teams. Cisco is hiring for multiple software engineering domains, including networking protocols, applications software, embedded and systems development. This means candidates with different technical interests have opportunities to work on different products. Now, before we continue, let me tell you who is eligible for this hiring. Cisco has clearly mentioned that this opportunity is only for 2027 graduating students. Candidates pursuing bachelor's or master's degree can apply if they are graduating in 2027. If you're from another graduation batch, this particular hiring is not meant for you, so don't waste your time applying. Now let's discuss the technical skills Cisco expects. Candidates should have good knowledge of programming, especially Python. Strong understanding of data structures, object-oriented programming, software development lifecycle, debugging, testing, and problem-solving is highly preferred. Knowledge of networking concepts like TCP/IP, routing, switching, security technologies, cloud computing, operating systems, embedded systems, databases, and application development will be an added advantage depending on the team you join. The good thing is Cisco is not expecting years of experience. Instead, they're looking for candidates who have strong fundamentals, curiosity to learn, teamwork skills, and the ability to solve technical problems. Another important point is that Cisco follows agile software development practices. So if you worked on projects, internships, coding competitions, or open source contributions, they can definitely strengthen your profile. Now here's an important reminder. Since this is an upcoming hiring opportunity, Cisco may contact shortlisted candidates whenever the positions officially open. So make sure your profile, resume, email address, and contact details are updated before applying. Also, don't ignore emails from Cisco because future assessments and interview updates will be shared through your registered email. If you're preparing for product-based companies like Cisco, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Accenture, Infosys, or Qualcomm, start strengthening your Python, DSA, OOP, SQL, operating systems, computer networks, and DBMS concepts from today. These subjects are commonly asked during interviews. That's all for this update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Alphas in Tech, and press the bell icon because I post daily latest off-campus drives, mass hiring updates, assessment emails, interview updates, and GenAI job opportunities faster than anyone else. The official apply link and my complete hiring playlist are available in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next hiring update.